LG and Samsung are two of the most trusted brands in the washing machine market, possibly the undisputed leaders. Both companies continue to push boundaries to deliver washing machines that combine excellent cleaning performance with innovative technology. But as each brand excels in different ways, it can be tricky to make your pick. This in depth comparison will evaluate LG and Samsung washing machines across key factors: design, washing performance, energy efficiency, smart features, noise levels, durability, and value for money. We'll go beyond marketing jargon to offer expert insights, helping you determine which brand best meets your needs. Just use our links because they'll take you to the latest discounts. Let's go now. Design and build. Quality LG washing machines are focused on functionality. You get this minimalist aesthetic with them: clean lines, easy to read LED panels, sturdy control knobs. Internally, LG uses stainless steel drums to resist wear and tear. Samsung takes a bold, futuristic stance in design with eye-catching curved finishes, stylish chrome accents, and high-contrast digital displays. Samsung also tends to incorporate touch-sensitive control panels that lend a high-tech feel to their products. While some users may find these interfaces slightly less intuitive than LG's tactile knobs and buttons, they convey a more modern aesthetic without doubt. Samsung also prioritizes interior build quality with stainless steel drums and larger than average doors for easier loading. So, which is better? LG has timeless designs that blend seamlessly into any home. Samsung leans toward making a visual statement with trend-forward aesthetics. For long-term durability, LG might hold more appeal. But if you're drawn to tech-savvy style, Samsung pulls ahead. Washing performance: LG machines deliver exceptional results thanks to the 6-motion direct drive technology. This uses 6 distinct motions: scrubbing, rolling, stepping, tumbling, and more to provide customized wash experiences for different fabrics. It can handle delicate garments like silk without damage and still manage heavily soiled clothes effectively. Another innovation is Turbo Wash, which reduces cycle times by up to 30 minutes, using jet sprays and powerful drum movements while maintaining spotless results. LG also offers specialized cycles such as allergy care or baby steam care that use steam to eliminate allergens and sanitize clothing. Samsung approaches washing performance differently with EcoBubble technology. By mixing air, water, and detergent before the cycle begins, EcoBubble creates bubbles that penetrate fabric fibers more effectively. This allows Samsung machines to clean at lower temperatures, saving energy while protecting clothes. Samsung's quick drive technology reduces cycle times by up to 50% with dual drum rotating motions. A standout feature is Add Wash, a small secondary door that lets you add forgotten clothes mid-cycle. The bottom line: LG appeals to those who want deep cleaning, versatility, and fabric care, especially for special needs like allergy management. Samsung's EcoBubble and Add Wash shine for practicality and energy-efficient cleaning. Energy efficiency. Both LG and Samsung perform strongly here. LG's direct drive motor eliminates friction and energy loss caused by belts and pulleys in traditional motors, enhancing efficiency and durability. LG washers are frequently rated among the highest tiers for global efficiency. Eco Hybrid technology allows users to choose between energy saving or faster drying cycles. Precise load sensors also optimize water use. Samsung uses digital inverter motors with advanced magnets for higher efficiency and quieter operation. EcoBubble helps save energy by delivering powerful cleaning at lower temperatures, while EcoCycles minimize resource use even in full loads. Overall, LG leads with direct drive efficiency and eco-friendly technologies, while Samsung stands out for superior cold water cleaning. Smart Features: LG integrates ThinQ technology in most washers, enabling users to control, monitor, and troubleshoot machines via smartphone. ThinQ supports Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Smart Diagnostic also helps detect potential mechanical issues. Samsung connects its washers with the SmartThings ecosystem, offering remote start, monitoring, and energy usage reports. Samsung also includes AI-powered wash cycles that learn your habits and recommend optimized settings. Plus, you can time cycles in advance down to the minute. LG's ThinQ is reliable, but Samsung's AI system offers extra intuitiveness for tech-savvy buyers. Noise Levels LG shines with its direct drive motor and anti-vibration designs, making many models ultra-quiet even at high spin speeds. Perfect for homes with laundry near living spaces. Samsung's Vibration Reduction Technology Plus stabilizes the washer effectively, but some users report slightly more noise at high speeds compared to LG. If quiet operation is your priority, LG wins. Durability. Both brands are durable, but LG has an edge thanks to simpler direct drive motors with fewer moving parts. Many models come with 10-year motor warranties. Samsung machines are durable too, but users occasionally report control panel issues. Overall, LG secures the advantage for long-term reliability. Value for money. LG delivers consistent reliability and excellent performance for its price. While it lacks some of Samsung's flashy innovations like AdWash, LG makes up for it with durability and practicality. Samsung, on the other hand, offers stylish futuristic designs and advanced smart features that deliver excellent value if innovation matters to you. Verdict: LG is the practical choice if you want long-term durability, quiet performance, and reliable cleaning. Samsung is the innovative choice with modern aesthetics, AI-powered smart features, and energy-efficient cold water cleaning. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you prefer rock-solid reliability or cutting-edge innovation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe and keep it valid.